Hey there. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys a way to run 3 Behringer UBXA-Minis at the same time using one controller with a few apps that you're going to need. First app you need to download it's called Oscillator. OSC. You'll find it in the App Store, Apple Store. You'll find it. It's actually an editor that controls all 3 UBXAs. Eventually I'm going to have 4. I got a Pro VS running here also, but for today I'm just going to show you how you can run 3 UBXA Minis simultaneously walking together at the same time using one controller, technically giving you 9 voices but in the software that I'm going to show you only has 8. So I may try doing 2 parameters per unit to give me 8 rather than 3, because the UBXA Mini has 3 voices in it. So you can route 3 from each system into your software through your iPad. So this is the first app you should download. It's OSC Oscillator. The next one you're going to download is called AUM. Okay? AUM Mixer. What this does is it allows you to use 8 voices here. Now I've got it set up for 8. I don't have 8, but for right now I can show you that you can do 8 at the same time. When you do, make sure the through button is off, in the off position. I apologize for the video quality. I'm just doing this on the fly. So once you've done that, and this knob right here will actually give you how many voices you want. So there's 8. Okay, so once you got that, just get out of that, or go up to this icon right here. It's the second one. If you pull it up, it's going to pull a router, a mapper, so to speak. Okay, take a picture of this with your phone, and after it's installed and you've got it open, you're going to have a clean slate. You're not going to have any routing going to any of your UBAs. But you can see that I've got 3 showing up right here on UBXA Minis, and your controller is going to show up as whatever it is, which mine's going to be an Arturia Key Step Mark II. Will show up right here, and the software you installed, the AU software, what you want to do is just tap on each one, and you're going to have a drop box to give an option where you want that to be mapped to. Make sure your keyboard is mapped to the AU software and your controller. It's called Polymesis. Polymesis is that software right there that you installed. Hopefully I told you about it. It's called Polymesis. And what that is what that does is it actually routes your parameters all into one, and it runs it through the program, and it's internal and you can access it. And the mixer as well. Once you've got it routed, configured properly, you can see the first 3 I have going to 1 UBA, which is this one. The next 3 are routed to my next UBA Mini, which is this one. And the other 3, which one is going through, and I'm going to take that one off. So it's just going to leave me with 2 parameters left here to use. And what I'll probably do is I'll figure out a way for my 4th UBXA Mini, which will be right here, and I'll be running 4 of them at the same time. Currently, I can run all 3 of these UBA X Minis at the same time using this software, routing the voices from the OBXA into the software, and it configures everything, and you can play. When you're done connecting everything and it's complete, 1 key is all you need to press on your controller, and all 6, actually 7 or 8, light up. Definitely all 6 will light up at the same time using 1 key, which 1 key plays all 3 UBXA Minis at the same time walking together. I call it handshaking. If you don't do this and you just hook up all 3 just straight into your mixer without going through any software, it does work, but it's out of tune. You're constantly tweaking here, tweaking there, just to get a decent sound out of these 3. It's not that bad. Even in poly mode, they do play, but they don't sound correctly. They're not handshaking correctly. This allows you to do that. And after you've hooked everything up exactly the way this looks right here on your iPad, which I'm using, and you open that up, you'll play 1 key and all 3 will work. There you go. 3 UBXA Minis playing at the same time using the Polymesis software and the other app that I showed you before. You download those, and this is what you want. You want this mapping guide to show up. And like I said, take a picture of it. They're showing red right now because I don't have my system turned on. It's just a demo. But once your system's turned on, these red bars underneath here all go away, which means that it's ready to go. you don't need an output on your iPad, okay? Because this system is running on an old iPad Lightning cable adapter, if you want to call it, female to male Lightning adapter. It's called a camera adapter. You have to have that because that's going to run